Huh?
Yeah, I ain't going for that. I think I taste that.
Dad,
Curious. Who?
where's mine?
No, that's from Don. That's from Danny. I didn't tape the box because I knew he was going to be opening it.
I taste that.
How can we throw it on the floor?
Is this baby?
Well, he can get it. It's not taped. Told ya. He ain't stupid.
Pass the sword.
Put it on the floor, Dominic. The box. No, not the whole box.
Me and Dad.
Ah, what's on the floor? What is
Give
it?
that to him. Yeah, that's what I want to see. What is it? You didn't show me.
Dominic, look. Here, hold it.
Look, isn't that pretty? You ain't supposed to wear the box.
Hey.
Pretty.
Say nice. Hey, give me your shirt. Here, you want the box? Now I have to start it for him.
Yeah.
Might have to, yeah.
There you go.
Oh, look better.
Those are the boots. No, those are from the Salvation Army.
Huh?
Go ahead.
What?
Pretty. Everything's pretty to him.
Yeah. He's like, you're welcome.
What's wrong?
Here, put your tray up.
Who? Blackie?
Brianna, can you pick up all that paper and just hand it to me? Those are batteries.
Mom, get those batteries. Give me them.
Dad. That one might be a little tough for him.
I think so too. Yeah, that's a little long and heavy.
I'm not going to keep on doing it. Ooh, it's truck. Truck.
Wow.
Cool. That's what I got.
No. Huh?
Never mind.
Alright, let me stop the video.
What? Stop being so nasty.
How do you stop the video?
Hey, I can't find mine.
Button.